In this video, I will show you exactly how to enable voice chat in Roblox step by step. With no further ado, let's get started. If you already have Roblox desktop app installed, go ahead and launch it now. To use voice chat in Roblox, you must be 13 or older and verify your identity. You can do this by adding your phone number or verifying your age with a valid ID. On the Unlock voice chat banner, click Add Phone Number. Enter your phone number. Roblox will send a one-time security code to your phone. Enter the code to verify. Once verified, you should be all set to voice chat. To check if voice chat is actually turned on, go to Settings, click Privacy and Content Restrictions, tap on Communication, find voice chat. The toggle for Enable Microphone will be blue when voice chat is on. You can turn it off anytime. You can also mute and unmute your mic from your device or inside the experience. You've now enabled voice chat in Roblox. If this guide helped you out, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more Roblox tutorials. Thanks for watching.